this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kami to get pictures turned into a single PDF file. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Kami up, and then you're going to come down to where it says split and merge. And then if you have your files, your pictures in like a Google Drive folder, which you can add that from your phone into a Google Drive folder. And I'm going to find mine. Okay, so here's the pictures I want. This one and this. Oh, it's only let me pick one at a time. So I'm going to select one. And I'm going to grab my other one. And so I've got two. You can put as many in there as you want. And then we're just going to scroll down and click next. And then you're going to scroll up to the top and notice it's in split mode. What we want is merge mode. And then you hit export all. You can open it in Kami. You can take it to your Google Drive. You can take it to OneDrive. So I'm just going to download it. And then the file that you're going to turn in is that one right there. Make sure your name is on